Imagine a world where every front lawn and every backyard have been replaced with the ultimate garden, a food forest. Not only would it be beautiful, neither you or your neighbors would ever go hungry. Galts Landing in St. Cloud, Florida, is a real-life example of what living a free, prosperous, and abundant life could look like for you. Using permaculture principles to design abundant systems that provide all the food, water, and energy resources that families need to thrive. Come visit Galts Landing. Whether you decide to learn the process firsthand on Volunteer Day, rent an Airbnb right on the property, attend or host one of the events, and meet new friends, or take a farm tour.
God's design in nature is infinitely abundant. There's free energy everywhere. And that's what we'll show you now. Let's go to the front gate. Awesome. This could be a lawn, like where I'm standing. This little stretch. How many yards is that? What do you think? That's 40 yards maybe? To the end where the driveway comes in? In 40 yards, maybe 10, 12, 15 yards across in the widest spot, we have 70 plus food producing plants. Come on everybody, have a bite of this one.
Oh, nice. I've actually grown this.
Good, it's so delicious. Every fence in the world should be a food fence. It's already a trellis. The only difference is just add a plant at the bottom of it. Give it some love, give it some soil, get it started, and then that plant will cover your fence and make it look better. Right? Within 3 years, we'll be able to do 500 bottles of wine off this fence.
Wow.
Right? Of our own grapes, grown with love, without poisons.
If you're looking for a freedom-based community focused on education, self-sustainability, and like-minded individuals, Galts Landing is the destination. Mark your calendar and plan your visit to Galts Landing today.